criou, gosta de fazer orgia. Essa novinha que tá na bolada, gosta de fazer orgia. Fica sentando em cima da piroca, 24 horas por dia. Você levanta por cima da pica, faz sua bunda tá vazia.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cruise 360. We all remember the day when we took delivery of a motorcycle, so clean and beautiful that it is a sight hard to forget. We all want to maintain the motorcycle in the same condition, but we are not able to do so due to time and resource constraint. You would have noticed my bike is pretty dirty, covered in dust everywhere. You might think it's going to take a lot of time and water to clean the motorcycle, but that it is not. Today we are going to see on how to clean the motorcycle in minutes with less water and less effort. These are the equipments you need. Any waterless wash solution, just 25 ml is required per 500 ml of water, which we can use for 2 washes. Spray bottle 500 ml. This one came with the cleaning solution as a combo. 2 or 3 good quality microfiber cloth. Let's start the cleaning process. Fill the bottle with 25 ml of the liquid. This quantity might vary depending on the solution you use. Fill the spray bottle with water. Spray evenly on all parts of the motorcycle, generously, not too much or too less. Do not let the solution dry. Fold the microfiber cloth into the smallest portion and gently wipe the solution off. Not too much pressure is required. Take the second microfiber cloth and in rotating fashion wipe the clean parts. This removes any residues and gives a clean shine to the motorcycle. You can repeat the spraying process if the solution is dried. It is advisable that do not do this washing process directly under the sun. The solution will get dried up quickly and it will leave a lot of water spots. Clean the rims now. Just a single wipe. Look how clean the rim is. You can notice the difference between the clean and the unclean part. Not too much effort is required. That is the advantage of this cleaning solution. If you use with normal water, you may have to apply a lot of force to clean it. But with this cleaning solution, just a gentle wipe is enough. That's all. The cleaning process is done. Look how the bike shines like new. Repeat this process every 2 or 3 days based on the dusty condition in your area. That's it, viewers. Do subscribe my channel for motorcycle maintenance tips and exclusive 360 videos where you can adjust view of your choice. Thank you.